let's make water candles. Wondering how we are going to make water candles? Let me show you how. As the festive season is coming, we all like to light lamps in our homes. Instead of lighting wax candles, let's try to make a candle of our own with water. Without wasting much time, let's get into the process. For making this water candle, we need glass balls, oil, water, scissors, cotton wicks, tape, needle, a plastic paper, and some decorative items. Let's start by preparing the cotton wick that floats on the water. First, draw a circle on the plastic paper. Now let's cut it out. Now let's keep a hole in the middle of the plastic paper. Now take the cotton wick and put it inside the hole. Cut off the extra wick. Now take the tape and stick the cotton wick like this. Done. I will make 5 candles, so I prepared 5 cotton wicks. Don't touch the cotton wicks with wet hands or they would not burn. Take a glass, pour water into the glass. Now pour some oil. Now dip your finger in the oil. Take a cotton wick, apply that oil to the cotton wick. Gently place the cotton wick in the glass. Our candle is ready. Take a bowl, decorate it with pebbles. Do the same process for the other candles. Pour some water. Pour some oil on the top. Take the cotton wick. Apply some oil to the cotton wick and place it on top of the oil. Our Pebbles candle is ready. Take a glass and I'm decorating it with flowers. Now pour water. Take a jar. Put a pearls necklace in the jar. Pour water. Take a jar, pour some water inside the jar. I'm putting some food color in the jar. Now I'm putting some lavender essence for smell. The candles so beautiful. I love them. You can try them at home because they're so easy to make. Even they give bright look to your home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.